In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove poweredbysystem.io. To begin, log into your system.io account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Funnels. This is where all of your funnel pages are organized, so it is the right place to start if you want to remove the branding badge from a specific page. Next, find the funnel where you want to remove the poweredbysystem.io label and click on the funnel name to open it. After that, look to the left sidebar and select the exact page step you want to edit. This could be a squeeze page, a sales page, or a thank you page. It is important to choose the correct step because this setting is applied on the page you are editing. Once you have selected the page step, click the Edit Page button on the right side. You will recognize it by the magic wand icon. This will open the drag and drop editor, where you can access the page settings and make changes to how the page is displayed. When the editor opens, look toward the top menu bar and click on Settings, if the settings panel is not already visible. In some cases, you may also notice the settings area toward the bottom left side of the editor. The goal here is simply to access the page settings panel. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the left-hand settings panel. Keep going until you find the option labeled Display Powered by System.io badge. This is the setting that controls whether the platform branding appears on that page. When you find that option, uncheck the box next to it. As soon as you do that, the badge will be hidden from the page. This is a simple change, but it is easy to miss because the option is located near the very bottom of the settings panel. After unchecking the box, make sure you save your work. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click the green Save Changes button. This is important because if you leave the editor without saving, the badge may still remain visible. Once the changes are saved, your page will no longer display the Powered by System.io badge for that specific step. If you want to remove it from other pages in the same funnel, you will need to repeat the same process for each page individually. That covers everything you need to know.